Fine. So let us start the session, sir. Just give me a few minutes. Let me prepare running notes for you guys. Okay. Series methods done. $35, 19. Data frame introduction, I guess. Right? Okay. Introduction. So the duration will be on an on an average, it takes 1 hour discussion, sir. Keep in mind that. Fine. Can I change the status? These are all happily I can change. Just a recent topic is this one. This one is the running topic. Data frame introduction. Yeah. So welcome back. Good evening, everyone. Yes, one more time. Good evening, everyone. Yeah, online team, can you hear me? Is my voice is clear? Nobody is not responding. Online team, please. Good. Thank you. Now, the topic name is a data frame introduction. Important, sir. Please, you guys need to focus. Actually, I will repeat 2 to 3 times. I will give a nice revision as well. Good. So as we know, when you're talking about the pandas having the data structures. Pandas having what exactly? Data structures in methods. Oh, yeah. I'm sorry. Then. This let me hold this one sometime actually. Thank you, sir. I forgot actually. I'm sorry for this. Am I overconfident or what exactly? Why other guys are not responding when I closing that topic actually? You're blindly following me, na? Cool. Let us continue. In a series, we do have a couple of methods I left out actually. Let me close those. It's a very simple. I'm sure series having the methods, the purpose of method will be performing an operation. What exactly? It performs an operation. And when you're talking about the head method, tail, let me explain. Head method, top 5 rows, sir. What exactly? Top 4 is. Tail, bottom 5 rows. And sir, remember one thing. It not depend upon the order actually. Don't think like, so 1, 2, 3, 10, 20, 30. Order can be anything, but top 5 rows. Top first row, second row, third row. I mean, first value, second value, third value, fourth value, fifth value, according to the index. Tail, last 5 value. Sum means, yeah, it will cumulative sum. It will sum up all values actually. Count means not none values. What exactly? Not none values. You guys need to practice. Are you done practice? I didn't believe, sir. Please do that one more time. A mean value. What is the mean? So on an average value. Next one is what exactly? Describe. Yeah, regarding the describe, what I can say, just yesterday 20% discussion only, not like 80% discussion. During math I can cover. During what exactly, sir? Math I can cover. Now the next one is a unique value. What is the next one? Unique value. So please observe this one. Unique is a predefined method in series class. Now observe the output, sir. What exactly? 56, 45, 35, 41, 60, 57, 56. Can I say 56 how many times it is available? 3 times. Yeah, good. But in output, how many times 56 is available? Only one time. I mean to say that we created a series having the duplicate value, series having what exactly? Can I say something like a list data structure? Yeah, list data structure. This is a series having what exactly? Duplicate value. Good. Now I don't want these duplicates, I need all unique values. Then what we need to do? Go for the set data structure. And this is the series data structure. This what exactly? Series. We do have a duplicate value. I don't want duplicate, sir. I need all unique value. I need all what exactly? Unique value. Then you can call a method. That method name is called what exactly? Unique actually. You wanted to execute? Let me execute. Please focus. Is it visible? Is it clear, right? Yeah, good. Yeah. So what exactly we are doing, we are just trying to performing demo 1.py. Demo what exactly? 1.py. Go to the desktop, programs, click on save code. Now open a command prompt. And now, okay, guys, please observe this one. Yeah, just try to say. Yeah, I would like to say this is series of values. What values are? Series of value. I don't want all duplicate value. I need only unique value. Then you guys just need to call a unique method. What method? Unique method. One point you need to understand. Whenever you are calling unique method, backend the return statement is a array. Backend return statement is what exactly? Array, but not list data structure, but not what exactly? What is a array? I can cover later, sir. Keep in mind that this point is a bit important actually, right? Now let us take this one. Unique method. What method actually? Unique method. Come on. By this time, I hope you already know. Next one. Next method is very simple, sir. N unique actually. What is the next one? N unique. N means in the sense, number of previously you got unique values, right? I need a count. I need a length. I need total number of values actually. Then tell me how many values you are getting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 actually. Out of 8 value. Out of what exactly? 8 value. Can I say that one? If you wanted to know the number of unique values, then you just need to call a method. That method name is what exactly? No need to touch the program. Just one letter I need to add actually. What is that letter? That's it. Right, good. Now just try to come here and you can just try to execute this example. Good. Hello, Daniel. Just like a N, after N letter, M letter, can I add actually? No, sir. Please don't do smart actually. What is output? Tell me what is error? Super, sir. Now I feel so happy. Now just try to say exactly, man. Before executing the program, telling the error is not a joke actually. You guys are really doing nice practice. Good. Take this example. Then that's it. What is the difficult part in this example? Can I tell? What is the difficult line? Sir, from here to here, very easy. Only this line is the difficult. If you don't know object-oriented programming language, let me repeat one more time. If you don't know whoops, like how to call a method, how to call what exactly? Frankly speaking, here you need to cry a lot actually. But if you know how to call a method, the easiest part is what exactly? This is the line. Are you getting or not, sir? Now let me reveal the secret actually. What exactly we are doing, we are creating the data, sir. We are creating what exactly? Data. We are taking the data. We are storing the data inside in one object. We are storing the data inside in what exactly? Object. That object name is called as a series object. What object actually? Series. Here that series is nothing but what exactly? Yes. Why we are storing the data inside an object? Object having the method functionalities. Object having what exactly? Methods. What kind of method? Do you want a minimum value? You can call min method. Do you want maximum value? You can call max method. Do you want unique value? You need to call what exactly? Unique method. Simple, very simple. Keep in mind that take the data, store inside one object actually, keep inside some container, perform operation. Perform what exactly, sir? Operation. That is really beautiful actually. Keep in mind that. If you want, I will tell you. Not required this one, but I'm feeling more anxiety. Good. Now let me just write, we are taking the data, sir. Taking what exactly? Data. What is the data? 10, 20, 30, 40. Good. With this data, we are creating an object. This object is nothing but what exactly, sir? Yes object. What object actually? Yes object. Then all these values, it will come and it will store inside of this yes object. Something like this. What exactly, So 10, 20, 30, 40. Am I right? Am I right or not, sir? Now, can I say this is series actually? This what exactly? Series. Seriously super. Taking the data, dumping inside one object actually. Here onwards, the beauty will be, you want to call which one actually? Dot min method you can call. You want to call which one? Dot max method you can call. You want to call which one? Dot head. That's what you need to understand. Where is that connectivity you need to understand, sir? 10, 20, 30, 40, first class student also he know actually. But what is the difference? He knows and we knows actually. Take the value, store inside one object, perform operation. That's really beautiful. Total data science is like this only. Total data science is what exactly, client will give the data. With that data, we need to create a object. Why we are creating object, perform an operation. Perform what exactly? This diagram is damn important, sir. Generally, those who are all having very good knowledge, those guys can explain this kind of diagram actually. Are you getting what I'm saying? Good man. Online team, can I get a response, sir? Are you following? Come on, somebody respond, please. Good question, sir. Sriram, sir. I can cover during NumPy. It is almost 99%. It is the similar actually. There is a good question from one of our sir actually. Is list and array is the same? 99% same, sir. 90% same, but 1% small similarity. I will cover during NumPy. I will cover during NumPy actually. Good. Then these road methods done, man. Perfectly all right. Next, more to the next topic. What is the next topic actually? Do you think I closed the topic in a hurry way actually? All right. Yeah. What is the next topic? Tell me. Data frame introduction. Good. Come on. Now this point you need to understand. We already discussed one topic. The topic name is a pandas having data structures. Pandas having what exactly? Data structure. What is the purpose of data structure actually? Store the data. Tell me, sir. Store the data. Next one is what exactly? Process the data. That's it. Now we already understand one data structure. What is the data structure actually? Series. We already understand one data structure. The data structure is nothing but what exactly? Series. Regarding series, I just covered just a matter of what I can say 80%. How much actually? I'm going to cover one project actually. During that project, you will literally understand 1 lakh values how to play, 2 lakhs values, 3 lakhs values. But if you are able to understand with the 10 values, 20 values, 10 lakhs values also same operation. Are you getting, sir, what I'm saying? Good. Now today, what is the discussion, sir? Can somebody talk with me? Data frame. What discussion? Data frame actually. Good. Now let us continue. Sir, what happened? Any rocket launched or what? Good. Hey, simple man. What do you mean by data frame? Data frame is a two-dimensional data structure. Data frame is what exactly? Two-dimensional data structure. Just for your better understanding, I will tell one small point, sir. What is the point? Assuming that we announce a demo. During the demo, these are all students actually. Students info. Students information. Management is planning to store actually. The first one is a name. First one is what exactly? Name. Second one is mobile number. Third one is what exactly? Mail ID. Very good. Generally, mobile number. Good. Let us just try to take. These are all things actually. Good. Can I say how many columns? Tell me. 3 columns. Good. Now, the first name will be, let me take Nirikshan. Mobile number. Some random mobile number. And nirikshan@gmail.com. Next one. Sriram sir. So and so number. And, Sriram. Sriram. I'm sorry, spell mistake is wrong. I'm extremely sorry. Please don't be confused. Rohit actually. Rohit@gmail.com. Last name Sriya. Yesterday somebody told Sriya ma'am. And these are all things. SRIYA @gmail.com. Good. Sir, do let me know how many records actually total. How many rows? frankly speaking, in terms of the normal terminology, this is called as a table structure. What structure? Means management is planning to store the data in a table structure. Sir, table structure data is very easy to understand. I would like to say structured data. I would like to say what exactly? What kind of structure? Table structure. What kind of structure actually? Table. When I'm talking about the table should contain two things, man. Yeah, very good. The first one is the rows, second one is columns. I'm repeating again. Management is planning to store your data in terms of the table structure. In terms of what exactly? Table structure actually. When I'm talking about the table, this is completely related to the data frame. Data frame means it's a simple table. When you're talking about the data frame or table, it is having mainly what are exactly rows and columns. What it is having? Did you remember during ninth class standard, 8th class standard, there is a topic name is called as a matrix actually. What is the topic name? Copy paste, sir. Exactly. Data frame is something like a matrix only, but here more feature we are going to get. Now I will explain slowly by slowly. A data frame is a two-dimensional data structure. Two dimension. One dimension is a rows, second dimension is a columns. Good. Data frame is just like a table. Do you think lunch table and dinner table? No, sir. This is like a data table actually. Data frame contains rows and columns. Yeah, sir. My favorite line actually. What is that one? Do let me know. Data frame is a done, sir. If you understand what is a class, the next discussion is a very easy. Create an object, call the attribute, call the methods. That's it. Conclusion of the story. Learning about the data frame means create an object for the data frame. Second important point, call the attributes. Third important point, call methods. Keep in mind that. Now you have to understand these are all discussions. See, I would like to say this is the employee information. Employee number, name, salary, 101 Ranjan, $10,000, 104 Viru, $40,000. Can I say table structure data? This is also called as a data frame, sir. This is also called as what exactly? Data frame. We'll see step by step. Once let me talk with online team. Good. Online team, you guys need to be please more active actually. Keep in mind that these are all you guys need to walk through actually. What are all rows, what are all columns I'm explaining here actually. Okay. Creating a data frame. Come on. This point you need to understand very clearly. Now, whenever you're talking about, hold on. Let us take a list data structure. List how many ways to can create a, sir? By using square brackets, by using list function. By using what exactly? List function. Same thing like that, series. What are all ways actually? Empty series. Am I right? Empty series we can create by using list actually. Next one. By using, yeah, by using array. But as of now, we kept hold actually. We kept what exactly? Hold actually. This you can ignore. And anyway, these two are the major. Empty series I explained. Next one is what exactly? By using list. Sir, today we are going to understanding about the data frame. We are going to understand about what exactly? Data frame. How many ways we are going to create? These are all ways we are going to see practically. Get ready. The first one is what exactly? We can create a empty data frame. We can create what exactly? Empty data frame. Right, good. First one is empty data frame. Second one is, what is the second one? By using single list. Third one is nested list. Fourth one is dictionary. Come on. Using single list. Next one is using nested list. We'll see. Using dictionary. What is the last one, sir? With another data frame. This we can discuss later. Thus, sir, this is the real-time scenario. Loading the files. What is that one? One more time. Last time. Go to the next topic actually. And what is the topic name? Loading the files. So though, I'm sorry for saying, though it is very, very important, I made it, this one is a separate topic. Where are all I highlighted with the red color, that is a very, very important, sir. Keep in mind that, right? Guys, are you with me? What is the topic name? Data frame introduction. Keep in mind that. In real time, whenever we are loading existing file, then it returns the data frame. You can keep hold this point, sir. Now, next page. What is the topic we are going to discuss? Any idea? Creating a empty data frame. Creating what exactly? Simple, sir. Very simple actually. Let us just try to show you how to create actually. Go back. as usual. Import pandas as PD. Can I create a series object or a data frame object without importing pandas actually? Not possible, sir. If you know, you can call me. I wanted to hear from you actually. I mean, there is no alternative. Only one way. Import the pandas. Next one is what exactly? Create a series or what exactly, sir? Data frame. Good. S equals to, can I say PD dot what exactly, sir? Series. This is what exactly? Empty series. Am I right? What exactly? Empty. Sir, same copy paste. Now give one object name, and here the data frame is representing with df actually. Data frame is representing with what exactly? Df equals to PD dot what exactly? I am planning to write a data frame. You do let me know which one is valid actually. Do you think this is valid? Come on, tell me. Why invalid? Because as per the standard, class name should be what exactly? Capital D. And if class name having the multiple words, every word supposed to be what exactly? Starts with capital letter. This point we have to remember, right? Sir, exactly, successfully we have created a empty data frame. If you want, you can print this one df actually. If you want, you can check the type of df also. If you want, you can check what exactly type of. Do you wanted to print this one? Not required, sir. Why? Because we already understand that. Creating a empty data frame. Creating what exactly? Empty data frame. Wow. Empty data frame created automatically. And sir, no columns. If there is no columns, no topic of what exactly? Indices actually. I will tell you why index came automatically. Backend class. This class is available in so and so package. What is the package name? You know, pandas dot core dot frame. One more time. Pandas dot core dot frame. But this is not important. This is a bit important actually. Guys, are you getting? Good, man. Very good, very good. You guys are following nicely. Move on to the next example. Come on, come on. I have explained very clearly how to create a empty data frame. Good. We can create an empty data frame by creating object to what? Can I ask a question? Sir, this is something like a creating a object. Creating what exactly? Object. You guys may think like, hey, Daniel, I will give the object name as a, yeah, you can give, sir. Nothing is wrong in that. But according to the real-time standard, all pandas developers, they are habituated. What is the first letter actually? Tell me. D. You know, what is the next letter actually? F. And listen carefully. I would like to say object name or I would like to say variable name. Object name or variable name always in lowercase only. Always in what exactly? As per the standard. Hey Daniel, can I give like this? Sir, you should not give. Generally, still you will get an output actually. Take this one. Still you will get an output actually. Take this one and execute this example. Go to the file and save this example. You will get an output actually. But if you are executing this example in front of your company lead, actually, your company lead will ask you one question: who is the one who explained this topic you actually? Then what is the name? Tell me. Daniel. Actually, indirectly you are scolding me. Actually, guys, are you getting? Please keep in mind that. Move on to the next example. Yeah, creating by using what exactly, sir? List data structure. Creating by using what exactly? List. Keep in mind that. Now move on. Get ready. I'm going to creating a data frame by using list actually. Import pandas as PD. Pandas as what exactly? PD. Come on, get ready. A equals to, or else I would like to say mocks equals to, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Good. Now df equals to PD dot data frame. And sir, here you can provide parameter. This parameter can be what exactly? Any idea? Mocks. Now what I need to print? Any idea? Yeah, good. Sir, now let me reveal the secret actually. Total how many lines do let me know? 3 lines. How many lines actually? 3 lines. Now let me tell you the secret actually. Sir, third line depends upon the second line. Second line depends upon what exactly? No, it is there is no dependence actually. So conclusion of this story, one more thing. Third line also depending upon what exactly? First line. Why tell me? Because of this PD. Am I right? Third line is also depending upon this line. Why? Because of what exactly? This is called as the interdependency. This is called as what exactly? Interdependency. If you wanted to execute the third line, unnecessarily if you deleted this line, gone case actually. you will get an error. What is that error name? Name error. What is that error name? Keep in mind that, this is something like a order. Line number 1, line number 2, line number 3. That order you need to follow. That order, guys, are you getting or not, sir? Good. Now keep in mind that. Execute this example. Very good. Hey, man, I wanted to tell one point actually. Get ready to understand. Good. Yeah, successfully, what exactly happening, it is going to create a one data frame. It is going to create what exactly? One data frame. Generally, if I say data frame having the rows and columns, data frame having what exactly? Rows and columns. As of now, if you are providing 10, 20, 30, 40, something like a single list, something like what exactly? Single list. Backend, it will create a single column. Backend, it will create what exactly? Single column. And that column name, by default, one name of the column it will provide. By default, one name of the column it will provide. That name of the column name is called as a 0. What is the name of the column, sir? 0 actually. Keep in mind that. Let's execute this example. You can just try to check the output actually. Wow. I hope you're getting actually. Do let me know. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Exactly we got a data. 10 to 50 actually. And automatically this is a single column. This is what exactly? Single column. If you are creating a data frame by using a list, backend it will create a single column. Name of the column is what exactly? 0. Name of the column is what exactly? 0. Beautiful. If you are not providing the name, by default it is providing the name with the starting number as a 0 actually. Generally, name of the column 0 is not a good practice. Am I right or not, sir? Go back. Instead of name here, instead of what exactly? Name here, can I give here as a 0? Maybe valid but not recommended. Maybe what exactly? Valid but not recommended actually. Conclusion of the story. Any one of you may ask a question, Are Daniel, can I change the name actually? We can change. Today only we are going to discuss. But keep in mind that whenever you are creating a data frame, if there is no name of the column, by default, pandas will provide what is the starting column name actually? 0. Tell me, sir. Very good. Now you need to understand single column data frame. What is that one, sir? Single column data frame. Frankly speaking, this is not a series data structure. This is what exactly? Data frame. That point you need to understand. Did you remember? When you're talking about the series actually, series will not provide name of the column. That's the difference actually. That's what exactly, sir? Difference. Keep in mind that. Very simple, man. So let us just try to enter into the actual topic actually. Good. If you are using single list, then it will create what exactly, sir? Single column data frame. It will create what exactly? Single column data frame. I hope you understand this one very clearly. Exactly. From the output, data frame created with the single column. Here, column name is what exactly, sir? 0. We can customize this column name as well. Array Daniel, I don't want column name as a 0. Can I change column 1? Or else can I change marks 1 actually? You can change. I will explain slowly by slowly. Actually, you can change. If no index is passed, then by default index is what exactly? Yeah, something like a starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, something like this only. 0, 1, 2, 3, something like this only. Good, sir. Now, what is the next we are taking? Previously, single column data frame having the numbers. Previously, single column data frame having what exactly? Numbers. Now it is having what exactly? String value. Something like a name. Something like what exactly? Names actually. Now, just try to come here very quickly. Here what I need to provide? Names equals to first one Daniel, next one Naresh, next one Funny sir. Yeah, good. Now here what I need to do? Any idea? Names. Good. Now execute this example. Please observe this one. Good. I hope you understand very clearly, sir. Are you getting or not? Good. Take this example. You can mix numbers with string also, but those are all Brittany examples, sir. Now let us move on very quickly. Do I need to explain this one? Not required. Single list we have taken. Sir, this example is a bit important. Please focus on this one actually. Good. Now we have created a data frame. I just wanted to know what is the length of the data frame, or else how many number of rows would you have actually. Simple, man. You need to call length. Tell me, sir. Function or method? Function. Coming from Python actually. Coming, yeah, predefined function. Coming from where exactly? Python. Am I right or not? Good. Now just try to come here. Here, what I can do, print off, and let us just try to move on to the next one. Tell me, len of df. Very good. Execute this example. How many values? Three values. 1, 2, 3. Three values. We are getting something like this. Means on top of the pandas, you can apply Python functions also. On top of what exactly? Pandas, you can apply Python functions also based on your requirement. Based on what exactly? Your requirement. Offline team, give me a couple of minutes. Let me talk with online team actually. Online team, where are you? No response from last 20 minutes actually. What happened? Are you with me? Online team, please respond everyone. No response, sir. Is my Zoom is working actually? It's okay. Let us continue. Next example is a very interesting. Creating a data frame by using what exactly? List of list. This is something like a nested list actually. This is something like what exactly? Nested. Let me show you what do you mean by nested list actually. Good. First of all, let me execute this one. Details equals to, I'm just trying to creating one small variable. Inside of this variable, what exactly I'm doing, can I say this is the one list actually? Am I right or not, sir? Good. Inside this list, let me create a few lists actually. Now just try to come here. List number 1. Inside of this list number, first one is the Daniel. What is my age, sir? 16. You forget or what exactly, sir? Yeah, good. Next one is what exactly, Let me create one more list. This is what exactly? Ranjan. Ranjan is a small kid actually. Let me give how much? 9. Now give a comma. Let me just try to give something like Prasad. Now comma here and 18. Good. What exactly I done, sir? First of all, this is the main list. Starting is from here. Where is the closing actually? This is the closing. Inside main list, I created a 3 list. I created what exactly? Every list having the name and age. Every list having what exactly? Name and age. Name. Yes, I would like to say this is the first list information, first person information, second person information, third person information. This is called as a nested list. This is called as what exactly? First of all, we can create a list like this. First of all, we can create a list like this actually. No comments, no questions actually. I hope you know this point. Am I right or not? Good. Keep in mind that. Sir, the same example, just for your convenient purpose, how we can execute, just for your convenient purpose, just try to go to the next line and provide one small indentation. It is valid actually. Go to the next line, provide one indentation. Go to the next line, provide indentation, and close this one. Exactly. This kind of syntax is, this kind of notation is seriously very good. We can understand very clearly rather than previous example. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Save this example. This example is still valid. We are getting the same output actually. No more questions, right? Good. Let's continue. Sir, now please observe this one. Previously, to create a data frame, I have used only single list actually. Team, are you with me? Yes. Previously, to create a single column data frame, I have used only single list actually. But now, let me use nested list. Let me use what exactly? I need your help, sir. I wanted to create a data frame actually. What is the first line? Do let me know. Tell me, sir. Import pandas as, very good. Pandas as what exactly? PD actually. And do let me know df equals to pd dot data frame. Here what I need to provide? Tell me, sir. One more time. Last time. Very good. Details. Now what I need to print actually? Data frame. Very good, man. Now previously single column. Now we are going to get what exactly? Two columns, sir. There is no name actually. If there is no name, what is the first column name? 0. Second column name is a 1. Good. Keep in mind that. Execute this example. Are you ready? Can I hit enter button? Sir, are you ready? Yeah, just try to see how nice it is, man. See, a structured data, it is creating something like a structure format actually. Tell me first column, all names actually. Am I right? Seems to be all letters are same, sir. 6 letters only. Good. And what is the next one? Do let me know. Second column. What is the second column? Second column name is a 1. Second column name is what exactly? 1. And what is the values actually? Age values. What is the values? Age values. Are you getting? we can still change this name of the columns also. I will tell you one by one actually. I will tell you. Please hold your anxiety. Okay? Yeah, good. I'm sure this example you will understand. Details equals to Ranjan to Akshay I have given almost such a big data frame we used to get actually. There are two columns. First column name is a 0, which is not a proper way to listen actually. Second column name is a 1. That one also not good. From the output data frame created with the two columns, here column names are 0 and 1, and still what we can do? Custom. Do you know meaning of the customize? Customize means we can change. We can change accordingly. Giving the column names to the data frame. This is interesting, sir. Get ready. Hey, what is the name of the columns? Do let me know. 0, comma 1. Tell me, sir. 0, comma 1. Daniel, can I give the name of the column? Here instead of 0, name instead of 1 is. Instead of 0, what exactly? Name instead of 1 is. Sir, you can do. You can do actually. How to do, you know? Just try to come here. Create a small variable. Variable name is a C. Variable name is what exactly? C. Do let me know. How many columns you want actually? Two columns. Create a one list, sir, with the two column names. First one, I wanted to make it like a name. Second one, I wanted to make it something like what exactly is actually. Do you think you will get output as a name and is automatically? No. We need to apply actually. Here you just created actually. How to apply, you know? Just try to give a comma here. My favorite syntax, sir. Did you remember my favorite syntax name? What is that one? Keyword argument. One more time. Last time. Very good. One keyword argument. COLUMNS equals to C. Columns equals to, hey boss, take this C and apply all these name of the columns. Sir, now execute the example. Such a nice output you can compare actually. Wow, awesome, sir. Previously, if there are no name of the columns, do let me know. 0 and 1. It's not proper way. Am I right or not, sir? Now, what are the name of the columns? First one is a name. Second one is it good or not? Good format. Good. Yeah. Very good question, sir. Yes, this is the nested list. Sriram, sir, that is a nested list as of now. We can still take it like that also. But as of now, as per today example, you know, this is not required. Yes, exactly. Yes, sir. Okay. Move on to the next discussion. That's what, sir. So whenever you're applying, whenever you're using the nested list actually in a data frame, it should be in a nice order and according to the some proper format actually. According to what exactly? Some proper format. Good. More to the next one. We can give column names to the data frame. We can give column names to what exactly? Data frame. Sir, let us spend here some time actually. Let us spend here sometimes. In the given example, import and as are keywords actually. Good. Pandas is a name of the package. And the details is a list to data structure. Nested list. Can I say that? Good. And the C is a list actually. Do you think it is nested actually? No. Next one. What is this one? I will cry actually. What is that one? Data frame object. What is that one? Data frame. And this is what exactly, sir? By this time you should know. So my favorite syntax. What is the syntax name? Keyword argument. What is the keyword argument name? Columns equals to C. Now get ready. I'm going to ask one question. What is the question? You know, any one of you may ask a question. Can I change this name? You should not change actually. Whenever you are changing, you will get one error. I told you this error you will get 1,000 times actually. Even an upcoming topic also. Tell me what is that error name? Type error. What is the description? Unexpected keyword argument. One more time. Unexpected keyword argument. Last time. Unexpected keyword argument. Good man. Sir, these are all by heart. This is something like in your fingertip actually. The error names will be. I didn't run. Just try to say unexpected keyword argument. Are boss? You are providing one keyword argument actually, but this is I didn't expected. This is not defined in such a way that. Now control Z. Do you think it is valid actually now? Yes, it is valid. Now just try to execute actually. This is seriously super. Are you getting or not, man? Good man. Get ready. Seems to be already created. Yeah, I already created. Now what is my output, So imagine the output. According to the output, let us create a data frame. Name we are getting, age we are getting. Let us create a location also. Let us create what exactly? Location also. Get ready how to create. Now I need your response, sir. Get ready. What is the first line? Import pandas as, you know what? Still previously I can update the existing example. I'm capable. I can close the discussion within 30 seconds actually. My motto will be not to close the example. For your better understanding, when I'm writing a code, you need to observe actually. Good. What is the next one? Details equals to, do let me know, nested list. Yeah, good. Get ready, sir. What is the first one? Name. What is the first one? Name actually. Let us just try to take a Daniel, and age will be 16, and location is something like, Kaikalur. Kaikalur actually. And hey man, this is what exactly? List. Am I right or not? Good. Exactly. Now here what I need to provide? Come up. Very good. And if you want, you can copy paste this list actually here. And next one, close the discussion. What is the second one? Let us just try to take a Ranjan. And the age will be just 9 years actually. He's from Odisha, sir. Odisha. I'm sorry if spell mistake is wrong actually. Let us take a Prasad or Kusuma. Kusuma and 14 years actually, assuming that. Now let us just try to take a Hyderabad. Now get ready, sir. DF equals to, come on, PD dot data frame, PD dot what exactly? Data frame. Here what I need to provide? Details. Let me just try to print what exactly? DF. What is the name of the columns? Very good, sir. One more time. Yeah, exactly. But I don't want 0, 1, 2. Can I customize actually? You can customize. Then what we need to do? Come here. Just a C equals to, tell me, create a 3. How many columns you want actually? You should provide only 3. You should not provide 4, sir. You should not provide what exactly? 4 actually. What is the first one you wanted to provide? Name. Very good. And the second one is what exactly? Yes, very good. And third one is what exactly? Location or else area. Now, do you think we'll get the output directly? No. You just need to apply small topic actually. What is the topic name? Keyword argument. What we need to do? Yeah, columns equals to C. Done. Your task is done. That's it. Did you understand? Now let me reveal the secret actually. Close this. Sir, here, what is the DF actually? Tell me. Data frame object. Create a diagram. Yes, of course, this is the data frame object. Such a big object actually. This object name is called as what exactly? DF. Instead of this object, we are storing the data. What data we are storing, Let us just try to take this one. Man, exactly like this actually. Exactly like this. You have to map this diagram towards to this direction. Wow, seriously super. DF is what exactly, sir? Data frame. Now let me tell you. Hold on. Let us take A equals to 10 value. What value? In this scenario also, one small chota object will create actually. What is this one, sir? Small. Sorry for laughing actually. Tell me what is the value? Yeah. What is the value here actually? What is the difference between A and DF actually? A is a small single value, sir. But coming to the data frame, it is capable to store 1 crore value, 10 crore value, like a column format actually, like a row format. This is seriously super. This representation is seriously super. That's what they done, When you're talking about the advanced technologies, they made it everything something like a object representation. What representation? If you dump inside of that object, perform any operation, sir. We are just initial stage actually. Indirectly we are playing with the objects. We are playing with what exactly? That point you need to catch actually from my explanation. Team, are you getting? This diagram is seriously super. Very good. Let me talk with online team. Oh, very good question, sir. Prashant, very nice, very nice. In place of C, if you provide anything actually, in place of C, if you provide anything, there are two questions. Let me answer these two questions actually. Good. These are all valid questions. one of our teammate, Begum ma'am, I guess, right? In place of C, we can provide anything. Yeah, boss, we can provide. If you are providing here instead of C something like a P, then here what we need to provide? P. That's it only. That's it actually, right? So if you want, let me execute this example. There is no change actually. Good. Very good, sir. Now that is the next question. Yes, we can apply. I hope Begum ma'am you understand. Next one, Prashant. What happened when we give more than 2 for C list actually? Very good, sir. Very good question. Now come here actually. As I told you, first of all, how many columns of the data would you have? One, two, three. Only 3 column names you need to provide. Now just try to come here. Let me provide one more thing actually. That column name will be something like a salary. What is that one? First of all, do we have that data? No. Let us just try to run this example. Let us just try to what exactly? Run this example. Are you ready? Can I press enter button? Are you ready or not, sir? Let me drink water, sir. Just try to see. Yeah. What is error? Very good question. What we are telling? 4 columns passed. Passed data having what exactly? Indirectly scolding like anything. Are boss, you are having only 3 columns actually. How dare you are providing what exactly? 4 columns. Keep in mind that. Are you getting? Very nice question, Prashant, sir. Very nice question actually. Take this example. Backend for the given data actually. Very good question. Very good question, sir. Take this example and you will get error, sir. You will get what exactly? Error actually. First question, second question. All right. Sir, this is something like a coding or programming actually. Programming is very easy. You know, you have to please focus actually. Good. Keep in mind that. And I hope you are getting actually. Let us continue with the discussion. Come on, keep moving on. We can give column names to the data frame. We can give what exactly? Column names actually. Just try to see Sagar. Name is salary. How many columns actually? Name is salary. Keep in mind that. Name is salary. Df equals to p dot data frame details. Details means what exactly? Nested list. Every list having how many values? 3 values. Tell me, sir. 3. First one is a name. Second one, third one, salary. Good. And columns equals to what exactly? COLS, something like that. What exactly? COLS. Good. Name is a salary. Creating a data frame by using what exactly? Dictionary. Now let me tell you. So far, what we covered, so far, hmm, we are creating a data frame. We are creating what exactly? Data frame. The first one is a empty data frame we done, sir. Second one is what exactly? Using single list. Using what exactly? Single list we done actually. And next one is what exactly? Using nested list. Using what exactly? Nested. Sir, whenever you are creating a single list, then single column. What column actually? Single column. Whenever you are using, something like a nested list, rows and what exactly? Column. That point you need to catch actually. If you are using nested list, tell me, sir, this is the nested list. Am I right or not? Now just try to go back and just try to delete this one. Can I say this is the nested list actually? Now execute this example. Good. Now you have to please tell me, sir, how many rows would you have actually? 3 rows. Let me increase one more row. Let me increase one more row just for your better understanding. Right? Let me add Kumari. My mom name is a Kumari, and age will be 55, and Kaikalor. Now execute this example. Yeah, come and tell me, sir. Sir, how many rows would you have? 4 rows. You know what? This is the row number 1, row number 2, row number 3, row number 4. Something like that you need to understand. And every row having the index. Every row having what exactly? Sir, that is a separate discussion. Indexing, columns. These are all separate discussion actually. How many columns would you have? 3 columns. If somebody is asking how many rows and how many columns, first always you need to tell 4 rows, 3 columns. How many actually? 4 rows, 3 columns. One more time. 4 rows, 3 columns. Take this one and take this example. You can add here. Hold on, please, everyone. Hmm. Come, let us take this one. Copy paste this. Yeah. Let me format, sir. Just it won't take much time, please. Yeah. You know what? I would like to say, we created a data frame. We created what exactly? Data frame, which is having, having, tell me, sir, 4 rows and what exactly? 3 columns. This point is very, very important, man. This point is what exactly? Very, very important. These are all columns. These are all what exactly? Columns. I would like to say this is column number 1. Tell me, column number 2. This is column number 3 actually. This what exactly? Row number 1. Row number 2. Row number, even though you know why I'm writing, just for your better understanding to catch in one shot actually. That's it. Apart from that, nothing. Keep in mind that. Good, good. Let us move on to the discussion. Now I would like to reveal small secret actually. What is that one? By using pandas, we can handle we can handle structured data. We can handle what exactly? Structured data. Structured data actually. Structured data. That point you need to understand. What do you mean by structured data? Structured data means it is having rows and what exactly? That point you need to catch, sir. Are you getting or not? Keep in mind that. All right. Okay. Next example is what exactly? Creating a dictionary. I mean, creating a data frame by using what exactly? Dictionary. It's a very simple, sir. Keep in mind that. Let me just try to create this one. Good. It's a very simple. First of all, let me just try to create this one. First, let me show you normal dictionary so that your fear will be gone actually. I will not attack the example directly. Keep in mind that how I'm writing actually. Let me create a dictionary. Let me create what exactly? Dictionary. Good. Now just try to come here. I would like to say dictionary starting and dictionary closing. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Now go back to the next line. And here, the first one I am providing as a name. I am providing what exactly? Name. Here I would like to take key. Am I right or not, sir? Key is generally Daniel. Key is what exactly? Instead of taking single Daniel, let me define lot of names actually. Let me define what exactly? Lot of name. Now just try to come here. List actually. First one is a Daniel, and the second one is a Prasad, and the third one is a Subbuanna, something like that. And there are total how many values? Do let me know. 3 names actually. Am I right or not, sir? Provide a comma means successfully we created a dictionary. First key. What is the key actually? Name. Name having list of names. Name having what exactly, sir? List. I would like to say this is the value, but here the value is a list actually. Value is what exactly, boss? Team, are you getting? Good, man. Now just try to come here. Let us just try to provide what exactly, sir? Yes, I hope you got it actually. Let me just try to provide. Daniel is a 16, Prasad 19, Subbu Anna, something like a 25. Enough, man. Enough actually. Successfully I created a dictionary. Let me just try to print the dictionary. Let me just try to print what exactly? Dictionary. Good. I would like to say this is what exactly, sir? Dictionary. We already done. Please don't ask a question. What is the question actually? What is a dictionary? We already done, sir. I will jump from here actually. If you're asking a question, keep in mind that. Take this example. Why? Because generally students will ask what is a dictionary. I will get a surprise actually. Can I ask one question? Can I access all these names actually? How to access? Details of here, what we need to provide? Any idea? Names actually. Name. I hope that double code is not required, I guess. Yeah. Daniel Prasadan, what exactly? Subhana. Take this example. This is something like a playing with the dictionary. This is something like what exactly? Playing with the dictionary. Now get ready. By using the dictionary, can we create a data frame? You can create a data frame. I need your help, sir. What is the first line? Tell me. Close your eyes and you have to tell always first line is what exactly? Import pandas as a PD. Good. Now df equals to pd dot data frame. Now here details. Now print of what exactly? Df actually. Sir, the very damn sure interview question. Keep in mind that. What is a damn sure interview question? What are all keys here? Do let me know. Name and yes. One more time. Last time. Good. Whenever you are creating a data frame by using a dictionary, those keys will come like a column names. Those keys will come like what exactly? Column. Here specifically, you no need to create a separate list as a columns, and a columns equals to say that Hadavadi is not required actually. Let me execute this example. Wow, seriously, Superman. Did you understand? Conclusion of the story. But in real time, we are not using this example. We can create a data frame by using dictionary. There is a small rule. What is that rule? Sir, what your key, that key will become like what exactly? Column. This is the column number one. This is what exactly? Column number two. Something like this, right? Come here and you can just execute this example. What is the time? Is it interesting? Yeah, good. Online team, somebody is telling not interesting actually. It is okay, sir. You can sleep actually then. Good. Successfully we created a empty list actually. In the above example, name and columns considered as what exactly? Column names. We can customize the index value. Now we are playing with the index actually. Get ready. By default, index value starts from? Tell me, sir. Next one. We can customize the index value in the data frame. If index is passed, then the length of the index should equals to what exactly? Length of the data frame. Hold on. I'm repeating one more time. Keep in mind that it is very, very important. First of all, let me show you. Get ready. Let me create a data frame. Details equals to, I'm planning to use nested list, sir. I'm planning to use what exactly? Nested list actually. Get ready. Something like creating a boxes actually. Telugulo muggledu antam kada. So exactly same thing like that. First one is that Daniel. The salary will be $10,000, assuming that. And next one is what exactly? Take the same thing. I would like to say Kumari. The salary will be $95,000. Next one is Jashwant. Something like a $80,000 actually. Next one is a Pravalika, my brother's daughter actually. Something like a 99. Good. Now df equals to pd dot data frame of what exactly? Details actually. What is the name of the columns? Zero. Tell me one more time, sir. Yeah, very good. Now just try to come here. Let me just try to provide c equals to list of what is the first one? Name. Next one is a salary. Very good, sir. You got the point one by one actually. Columns equals to what exactly? Can I give this one is a wrong name? What is error name? Type error. What is the description? Unexpected keyword augment. One more time. Unexpected keyword augment. Last time. Good. Print of df. Perfect, sir. We got a data frame actually. Tell me how many rows? Tell me, sir. 4. Now here I don't want 0, 1, 2, 3 as the index actually. Sir, I'm repeating one more time. Whenever we are discussing about the list to data structure also having the index, but those index is invisible. Invisible means it is not showing actually. When you're talking about the list to data structure, only values it is displaying. But if you create a data frame, by default it is exposing index also, it is displaying index also. Here you may ask a question, Are Daniel, I don't want 0 as index. Instead of 0, can I get a 99 as index? You can get it, sir. Instead of 1, 11 can I get actually? You can get it. Let me show you how to change actually. Now create one more list actually. List name is a I. List name is what exactly? I actually. How many rows would you have? Do let me know. 4 rows. Then 4 values you need to provide actually. This is something like length of the data frame. Tell me randomly some values. You tell me. 99. Next one is what exactly? 44. Randomly, intentionally I'm giving. If I'm giving something like a 1, 2, 3, 4, many questions actually. Hey, do you need to follow order actually? Something like that. Instead of this one, come here actually. 99, 55. What exactly, sir? 10. What exactly, sir? 78. Good. One more number, please. 9. Very good. Now execute this example. Do you think index will be changed automatically? Sir, just we created a list actually. This list we need to apply. How to apply, you know? One more keyword argument concept, sir. My favorite type actually. Just try to come here. What we need to do, you know? Provide comma. What we need to provide? How you know actually? Very good, man. Now what I need to provide? I actually. Done, man. That's it actually. Now execute this example. Wow, what a nice example, sir. Please understand. This is something like, you know, creating the data frame, changing the name of the columns, changing the index actually. This is seriously super. Are you getting or not, boss? Let me drink water. Good. Previously, one student asked a nice question. What is the question, you know? Hey, Daniel, though you are a trainer, though you are what exactly? Trainer, you know these columns and index actually. How I know? Sir, first two time, even when I was learning pandas, even I'm new actually. One or two times, whenever you guys are doing a practice actually, this is the lifetime syntax. The syntax never ever change actually. Learn one or two times, you will remember automatically. Repeating again, there is a good question. What is the question? Hey, Daniel, though you are a trainer, maybe you already know pandas actually. That's what you remembered columns. That's what you remembered index actually. These are all keyword argument names actually. But though I'm learning first time, how I will remember? Sir, practice. One or two times if you practice actually, alert about the automatic. Are you guys getting or not, sir? Good. Keep in mind that. Alert in, I mean, alert in the sense, you know, you will understand automatically. It will be habituated for you. Let me stop speaking in Telugu. How many of you don't know Telugu? Do raise your hand, sir. Okay. You're from basically Maharashtra. Sir, both are you from local Hyderabad? You can't understand Telugu also? Okay, okay, sir. Small, small. Konjum, konjum. Good. You're from Karnataka. Okay. Elidiya, sir. How are you? Good, good. Basically, Elidiya means where are you? Yeah, good. Come on. We can customize the index value in a data frame. If index is passed, then length of the index should be equal. Otherwise, we'll get a error, sir. Now, please observe here. Yeah. Do let me know. df equals to pd dot data frame details. Nested list actually. Columns equals to what exactly? See. This index is called as what exactly? Keyword argument. This index is called as what exactly? Keyword argument. Guys, are you getting? Get ready. Let me ask a question then. If you are understand, let me ask a question. Can I change this name? What is error name? Type error. What is the description? Unexpected keyword argument. Now let me show you. Let me show you. Run this one. The error name is a type error and unexpected keyword argument. Now control J. Can I change this one? No. What is error? Same type error and the same exactly. That's what beauty, sir. If you understand one error, how to catch actually, you don't know this point actually. The same point I'm going to teach 1,000 times actually. Very, very important. Please keep in mind that actually. Guys, are you getting? Good, man. I'm sure. I hope. Yeah, same example I already copy pasted here actually. Move to the next example quickly. Creating a data frame and giving the index. Yeah, good. Previously, instead of number, what we are providing now here actually? Something like a string we are providing. What we are providing? We can provide. What is the string actually here? Tell me. Row 1 to respectively row 10. We can provide, sir. Just try to come here. Instead of these are all things, let me create. What is the first one? Row 1. And second one is what exactly? Row 2. Third one, sir? Row 3. Execute this. What happened? Oh, sorry, sir. Thank you. Sorry. Order supposed to be matched. Come on. What is the today discussion? Tell me. One more time. Last time, data frame introduction. How much it is important, Let me open the material. Sir, from here to till to the last one, do let me know. Data frame, data frame, data frame, data frame, data frame only. The last one is belongs to multiple data frame, something like a panel actually. Keep in mind that data frame is a damn important actually. Very, very important. All topics are belongs to data frame only. Very easy. Did you understand today topic? I'm sure till here you will understand, sir. You will enjoy actually. No doubt in that. We can create a data frame, by loading the files like a CSV file, JSON file. Generally, here we are creating, I would like to say this is the data. This is what exactly? Data we are creating. But in real time, data we never create, sir. Client will give the data in a file. Client will give the data in what exactly? That file, whenever you are loading in a pandas, it creates the data frame. Let me repeat one more time. That file, whenever you are loading in the pandas, then by default it creates the data frame. That point I can cover in what is the chapter name? 8th chapter actually. Thanks for understanding. Are you getting? Good. Hey, done man. Pandas introduction. Seems to be we are going to discuss loading the file actually. Would you have a time? Can I continue? I will continue, sir. If you say no, also will continue. Good. Today. Can I change the status? We done this, sir. Now running topic. Loading the different files. Loading what exactly? Different files. Very, very interesting, sir. Please focus on this. Chapter number 7. There I mentioned as 8 actually. I need to change the document. End of this session, you have to remind me how many material I need to upload today. What all discussion today it will be actually. Good. Keep in mind that. Get ready. Important. Get ready. Sir, how many ways to create a data frame? To create what exactly? Data frame. Yeah, good. What is the first one? Empty data frame. We can create what exactly? Empty data frame. Very good. Second one is what exactly? By using single list. By using what exactly? Single list. And next one is what exactly? Using nested list. Next one is, did you forget? Using dictionary. Sir, this is the very, very important. Please focus actually. By loading the files. By what exactly? Loading the files. What is a file? These are all discussion I will tell you. It can be CSV file. It can be JSON file. It can be Excel file. These are all files actually. Keep in mind that these are all real-time scenarios, sir. Till now, what I explained, these are all data frames, something like a chota data frame, small data frame. But now I'm going to take a CSV file. That CSV file having 600 rows, sir. How many rows actually? We are loading in pandas, then a big data frame will be created actually. I will show you that one. Guys, are you clear, everyone? Good, man. Get ready. I will explain. Step by step, I will explain actually. Loading the files. We can load different files in a pandas. Whenever we are loading the files, then pandas returns what exactly? Data frame. We are loading the file. Whenever you are loading the file, loading means it's very simple, sir. By using pandas, you can store the file. Then it returns what exactly? Data frame. Once after data frame is returned, then based on requirement, we can perform what exactly? Several operations. Sir, ultimately, in your hand, if data frame is available, we can apply a lot of operation. I will cover what kind of operations we can cover actually. These are all different files in a real time. What is the first file? CSV. Next one is a JSON. Next one, Excel. Next one, TVS or TSV, sir? TVS. TSV. Very good, sir. Next one is what exactly? Table from web page actually. Good. What is the first file? CSV. Good. Keep in mind that. Now let me delete everything. Let me close this one. I just wanted to show you one small diagram. What is the time? We have a nice time actually. Keep in mind that. I will explain. Slowly by slowly. Come here. Let me delete this file. Intentionally, I am deleting. These are all things actually. Good. Go back. and all files folder. There is a file name is called as a sales1.csv. Where is the file? Sales1. What exactly? CSV. Copy this one, paste inside of this folder. Yeah, there is a file. This file name is called as a CSV. What do you mean by CSV? You know, comma separated values. What is a CSV? Comma separated value. This is something like a Excel file only. This is something like what exactly? Excel file only. Whenever you are opening, it will open something like Excel file, but backend it will store something like a comma separated value. Both I will show you. Let me open this one. What is the name of the file? Something like a Amazon sales, sir. What sales actually? Amazon sales. During last Pongal, these are all customer bought the item actually. These are all customers generated the item. Yeah, man, seriously, very good. How many columns would you have? Do let me know, sir. How many columns would you have? 4 columns, right? What is the first one? Order ID, customer name, product, quantity. One more time. Order ID, customer name, product, quantity. Whenever you are buying any item over Amazon, backend for every product, it generates what exactly? Order ID. What it generates? Order ID. Order ID 166,837. We no need to understand what kind of number it will be actually. What is the next one? Customer name. Who is the first customer? Veeru. Next one? Tarun, Kedar, Lavanya, Venu. Are man, why Venu but 2 times actually? Now let me ask, is there any restriction in Amazon? If you buy one item, you should not buy a second item. Is there any restriction? If there is no restriction, you can buy any number of items. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Next one will be product. What kind of product? Viru bought 34-inch, monitor actually. Quantity. How many he bought actually? 2 monitors. One is for him, another one is for his sister actually. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Keep in mind that. Go back. Like this, how many rows would you have, Oh man. Sir, starting is the name of the column, header you can ignore actually. Total 600 columns. I mean 600 rows actually. How many rows? What we are doing, let us load this file by using pandas. A big data frame it will be created, sir. Are you ready? Very simple, just a matter of one single line actually. Just a matter of what exactly? One single line. Get ready. Let me talk with online team. Online team, where are you, sir? How many of you sleeping actually? Let me know. Sirisha, we can get it, boss. That I can cover during, that I can cover during attributes actually. Srikant. No worries, sir. Srikant, sir. Srikant, you can please take care. Tarini, can we change the particular index? We can change actually by using a set index method. By using set index method. Just now only I'm walking through all of your questions actually. Online chat. Sirisha, sir, can we know how many total number of rows and columns actually? We will come to know by using calling as a one attribute. Attribute name is a shape actually. I will cover. Hold on. All right. Get ready. Sir, first what we need to do, take that file and you have to copy inside in a programs folder. What folder actually? Programs folder. Now, just try to come here. I will give you introduction. What is a CSV file? What is a CSV file? Comma separated file actually. Open with Notepad++. Just try to see order ID, comma is available. Customer name, comma is available. Product, comma is available. Ignore this discussion. I will cover in detail tomorrow actually. Now get ready. Let me write in one example actually. Import. Tell me, sir. Pandas as PD. Good. Sir, pandas as PD. df equals to. Get ready. Here, what is the name of the file? Do let me know. Sales1. What is the name of the file? Sales1. It's a very simple, sir. Here, you just need to call one function name. What is that function name? PD dot. Inside pandas, there is a predefined function we do have. That function name is a read underscore CSV. What is the function name? Whenever you are calling that function, instead of here, just to provide name of the file actually. What is the name of the file? Sales1. Sir, extension also we need to provide. What is the extension? Just to give a right click, properties. This is the extension. What is the extension actually? .csv. Come here, you just need to provide actually. Wow, done, sir. Done actually. Just a matter of one line. Save this example. Demo1.py. Man, understand the beauty. Coding is awesome. See, just df equals to you please respond one more time. PD dot. What is the function name? read underscore CSV. One more time, read underscore CSV. Last time, read underscore CSV. Read underscore CSV. Name of the function. Here file name sales1.csv. Now execute this example. Get ready. Are you ready? Now come here. Py. Wow. Successfully we created one data frame, sir. How many rows it is having? 600. How many columns? But by default, how many it is displaying actually? Top 5. Last one is what exactly? Bottom 5 actually. Means exactly in back end what happened, sir. If you want, I will repeat my diagram one more time. Yes, exactly. Such a big object actually again. And what is this object name? DF. What is this object name, sir? DF actually. Instead of the physical file, what are all data would you have? With that data, such a big object, the total data is storing inside of this object, sir. That point you need to understand actually. Wow, such a nice diagram. I hope you're understanding. Are you getting or not, sir? Right, good. Now, can I say sales1.csv is a physical file? What file actually? That physical file having the data, the total data, it is coming and it is storing in just a matter of 2 letters actually. What is the 2 letters name? DF. Can I say object actually? Beautiful, sir. Arey man, where is the 600 rows actually? The total 600 rows, it is dumping into DF object. Storing into what exactly? DF object. Guys, are you getting? Here, what is the important line actually? Do let me know. Read underscore CSV. If you wanted to load CSV file, then you need to call a function. Function name is a read underscore CSV. One more time. Read underscore CSV. Good. Now, let me give a nice explanation one more time. All right. Now, just try to come here. Open the material. Slowly by slowly, I will cover. Let me give a small introduction. What do you mean by CSV file? CSV file stands for comma separated file. CSV file stands for what exactly? Comma separate. Sir, these are all examples. Today onwards, we have to do regular practice. Why? Because slowly by slowly, new function names are coming. Very, very important actually. Right? Keep in mind that. A CSV file contains the data like a rows and columns. Am I right? I already shown, right? If you want, let me open the file one more time. Arti ma'am. Arti boss. I will cover that one. Please. I will cover step by step. Good. Order ID, customer name, product, quantity. Can I say this is the row number 1? This is what exactly? Sir, previously to create the same row, nested list we used actually. What you used actually, do let me know. Previously to create a 4 nested list, I have taken 2 minutes time actually. But here, how many rows would you have? 600, man. By using a list, if I'm creating a 600 actually, gone case. My fingers will get what exactly? Pain, sir. That's really beauty. Client will give this kind of file. Then this file, first you need to load in a data frame. Load into what exactly, sir? Data frame by using pandas actually. Keep in mind that. Whenever we are loading the CSV file, then it returns the data frame. Good. Let me tell you. Sir, let me tell you. Read underscore CSV is a function. This function backend having the return statement. Read underscore CSV is a function. This function backend having what exactly? That's why we are assigning to the variable. That's why we are assigning to what exactly? Am I right or not, sir? I hope you already remember actually. Good. If you want, let me take one small example. def equals to, let me take a one Daniel function. Now here return 100 value. What value? 100 value. It is okay. Now come here. Let me just try to write a here. Hi. What is that one, sir? Hi actually. Now, can I call the function directly? You can call, but what is output actually? Hi. Very good. But if you wanted to get the value as a 100 also, if you wanted to get what exactly, sir? Value as a 100 also, what we need to do? df, I'm sorry, sir. D equals to, print of what exactly? D. Print of what exactly? D. Did you understand this line? Now let me compare, sir. df equals to pd dot what exactly? Read underscore csv. Here name of the file sales1.csv. Keep in mind that whenever you are calling the Daniel, how Daniel having the return statement, that's why you are assigning to the variable. Same thing like that in backend. This point you no need to understand, sir, but let me explain somewhat deep dive actually. Whenever you are calling read underscore CSV, backend it is having the return statement. That's why you are assigning it to what exactly? Variable. Beautiful actually. That's what. Did you remember? During functional programming language, I used one statement actually. What is that statement? Sir, return type is very, very important. This is the real-time example. But those days I explained like a balance, 100, Britannia example actually. But this is the real-time example. Did you understand? Yeah. Simple, sir. Very simple. I wanted to hear from you. Hmm. Syntax. PD dot read underscore CSV. File name with the path actually. Import pandas as a PD. DF equals to PD dot what exactly, sir? Here onwards program. The purpose of program is what exactly? Loading the CSV file. What is the name? Demo1.py, name of the program name actually. Input file sales1.csv. What is input file? Sales1.csv. Import pandas as a PD. DF equals to PD dot what exactly? So just a matter of one line, that too just a matter of one function. That function is taking care. Hey, give me the file, I will load and I will show you the data frame actually. How beautiful, sir. Technology is seriously awesome actually. Good. It is loading and we are getting automatically this data frame actually. One important interview question. What is important interview question? First of all, I wanted to hear from you each and every word actually. Tell me how to load the CSV file. So for your better understanding, I will delete. Yeah, yeah. I will delete one more time. I will delete and I will write in front of you one more time, sir. So that your better understanding actually. Keep in mind that. Somebody is asking, delete this folder also. Seriously? Okay, sir. Good. Now let me create a folder. Folder name is a programs. Folder name is what exactly? Programs. Okay, good. Empty folder. Now the example is loading the CSV file. What you need to do, that CSV file copy and paste inside of this folder. Get the file inside of this location actually. If file is not available, you will get one error actually. What is that error name? File not found error. What is that error name? File not found error. Good. Where that file is available, sir? In my machine. What is this? Okay. 530. It is paining, sir. Yeah, data analysis. All files. Take CSV. Take sales1.csv. Where is the sales1.csv? Comma separated. Copy this. This file I will load today. Paste here. Yeah. Now get ready to write a program. First open a notepad. Get ready, sir. Start writing the program actually. What is the first line? Import pandas as PD. Very good. DF equals to. Now tell me. PD dot. What is the function name? Do you think like this actually? No. Function name follows the name convention. The naming convention is all are lowercase. All are what exactly? Lowercase. No doubt at all. Read underscore CSV. Here file name. What is the file name? Sales1.csv. Instead of providing like this, cut F equals to something like this. Here what you can provide? Very good. Like this also you can provide. Am I right or not, sir? Print of what exactly? Done. That's it. Your task is done actually. Save this example. Demo1.py. Now where exactly your file is available, in the same location you need to save, sir. Where exactly your file is available, in the same location you need to save actually. Give the file name will be demo1.py. All right. Now come here. Open this one. Exactly. Both are in the same place actually. Program and name of the file. Here we need to open a command prompt. Now execute this example. Get ready. Data frame will be created actually. Wow, very good, sir. Though the data frame having the lot of rows, it may not display. I will show you how to get all rows also. I will show you actually. You need to call it one method. I will tell you that. But by default, it will display top 5 rows and what exactly, sir? Last 5. Best example, sir. I have taken one carry bag actually. Almost 10 kg Vegetables I'm bringing. How many I'm bringing? 10 kg vegetables. I brought to my home actually. In one shot, can I see all 10 kgs actually? No, only the top vegetables only we can see. Am I right or not? Here also, the memory may not enough actually here. Dot dot means what exactly? Since our childhood, dot dot means would have a so on something like would have a data actually. Good. What is the first value? Do let me know. Zero. If you want confirmation, go back here. What is the first record should be actually here? Do let me know. Zero. Really very good. Zero actually. What is the last record, sir? What is the last record actually? Last record is what exactly? Tarun. What he bought actually? LG washing machine. Maybe his wife. Tarun is washing the class actually. Maybe. What Tarun is planning, Arey man, gone case actually. Let me buy what exactly? LG washing machine. Yeah, Tarun and he bought what exactly, sir? LG washing machine. How many rows? Tell me, sir. Six and how many columns? Four columns. Done. All right. Fine. We'll continue this discussion tomorrow. So, did you understand today's session? Please don't miss today onwards. Interesting and very, very important. Today, I need to upload three things: running notes, material, and this Excel file also. This Excel file I will upload by using a zip format. By using what format? If I am uploading directly, the file is getting corrupting actually from the previous batches I noticed. So first of all, do you know about the zip file actually? You have to download and you have to extract. You have to download and you have to what exactly? I will show you once actually how to do that step also, right? No surprises. Come on, we done for today's session, sir. Sir, with me, punctuality. Time means time. I will start the session exactly 5:30. Session cinema will be closed exactly. That's it actually. No more. No more discussion. Yeah. See, someone is already telling. You know what? Very good, sir. Thank you for bringing this point actually. Do you think loading the file is very easy in other technology? No, sir. Frankly speaking, too difficult actually. That's what. Once the pandas came into the market, actually, every developer is enjoying. Just a matter of one line. Am I right or not? That too, you need to call a function. What is the function name? Function name is a marriage function. Am I right? No, sir. Read underscore CSV. See, one of our teammate, maybe Prasad, maybe he's have a Java experience. Really interesting. To upload the file in Java, it takes what exactly, sir? Time consuming. On an average, minimum 5 to 6 lines of the code you need to write actually. Right? Keep in mind that. Thank you for bringing this point. I mean, I'm not degrading some other technology. You need to understand what is advantages with the currently what we are learning actually. Pandas data frame introduction. I hope I already uploaded actually. Let me upload the running notes here. Sir, please look at my screen. $5:30. Online team, give me 1 minute. Don't leave the session. 19th. Running notes I'm uploading. Next one. Anything is pending here? No, nothing is pending. Online team, I will show you how to download zip file. Okay, here running notes and Excel CSV file also need to upload. What is a, you know what? Sales one. Go back to the desktop and let me just try to create this one is a zip file. Let's load this. Next one is the running notes. Sir, please, our material literally helps you. Prepare thoroughly our material very well. Yeah, good. Now today, what you guys need to do, I'm sure you guys knows very well how to load a this PDF, actually how to load this, what exactly, text file. Let me show you. Many people may not ever, actually it is okay how to load a zip file. Click on here, then it will come something like a, exactly, you should not click on here. Keep in mind that you should not click on here. Go here and open in a new window. What exactly? Open in a new window. It will open in a new window. Then here again, what we need to do, come here, and here this symbol you need to click on, actually it will go to the next one more window, actually. By default it is downloading what exactly, sir? Zip file. Take this one, copy, actually, and let me create a one folder name with your name, actually your name is assuming that Prasad, and paste here. Do you think you will start write program, actually? No. Why? Because still it what format, actually? Zip format. Just try to, give a right click. What we need to do, any idea? Extract here. Exactly, now the file is extracted. You should play with this one but not with this one, actually. Previously many students written a program, they're trying to load in the zip file, actually. I called them and I given left and right, actually. Are you getting or not? Son, I never done, sir, just I'm kidding, actually. I called and I told, like, sir, this is a zip file. Still we can load zip file also. That functionality we can discuss later, actually. But today discussion will be what exactly loading the CSV file. Keep in mind that. I'm sure, I hope you understand how to load how to extract the zip file, actually. Then fine, then we done for today's session. Don't miss tomorrow's session, sir. Okay. Thank you for attending. Yep. Yeah. Tomorrow practice session as usual, 7:30. Online and offline mode, actually. If anyone is unable to attend online, offline, actually you can still, I will help you with the link, actually. No session evening time. There is no session evening time. I do have my personal work. Thank you.